and national bond certificates. The more transactions you make, the more winning chances you get. Double chances of winning for Western Union, Travelese cards, ICICI, and national bonds transactions.
For more information, call 6005-22265 or visit alfardanexchange.com.
This morning on the Business Breakfast. The Business.
Michael Lenyovich, partner for the commercial and property team at the law firm Hardif and Partners.
I'd like to think that the owners that are not paying their service charges because they have some sort of gripe with the developer would go past that now. Once the owners get control, they would start to pay their service charges.
There'll be a lot of people renting thinking, hang on, but that would be massive upheaval for me. I can't get hold of my landlord, he doesn't pay the fees. Would that mean that I would lose where I was living?
Tenants know. Under the tenant law, if the property is sold, even if it's sold by auction, the tenant can remain, and that would be disclosed as part of the sale process.
The Banter.
It is that time of year when the Oxford Dictionary start putting together their new buzzwords for 2012. Omni-shambles, leg bombing, mantyhose, which is tights for men, and helicopter parent, obsessive parents who pay too much attention to what their children are going through rather than just letting them sort of get on and be children. We are going to be putting together a UAE type of list here on the Business Breakfast this week. We'll be taking your submissions all through the week, and on Thursday we'll come out with the top words for our buzzwords and phrases of 2012.
And tomorrow,
we'll be finding out what needs to happen in the tech industry to make the battery in your smartphone last longer.
the UAE's most popular morning show, The Business Breakfast, featuring Malcolm Taylor and Brandy Scott. Weekday mornings from 6 with Al Rastamani Exchange and Do.
This is Filipino Rhythm with Al Ansari Exchange. Send money to Philippines to win 40 tickets to Philippines on Etihad Airways.
Kayo po yung nakikinig sa programang Filipino Excellence in the Middle East. Sa mga nag-tune in pa lang ngayon, ang team po natin ay Pasko sa piling nila at yung pinakaunang guest natin, our special guest, yung bagong tatay po ng Dubai at Northern Emirates, si Consul General Frank Simafranca. Ngayon, ang second guest natin, isa rin tong, itong matagal ko nang kilala to, napakabait na tao at very close kami at matulungin siya sa hindi lang sa pamilya pati sa mga ibang tao na nangangailangan. Isa po siyang entrepreneur. Siya po ang nag-push or nagpo-promote ng Nanay Tuneng. So alam niyo 'to, Nanay Tuneng, mabibili niyo to from Wow Pinoy to even Spinis, available siya. Tapos siya, very active siya sa community. In fact, leader siya ng yung Philex, explain niya ito mamaya. At marami rin siyang award, isa na dito yung Woman of Substance Award. At hindi lang siya active dito sa UAE, sa Abu Dhabi, sa Dubai, pati sa kanilang probinsya sa Magdalena, Laguna. Oo, so i-explain niya to ano yung mga programa niya. So, good evening sa iyo. Sabihin ko ang full name niya, pero siya po
alam na nila.
Si Isabelita o Isabel Sabado Warren. Good evening, Isabel.
Good evening, Art. Good evening, Ann. Good evening po, Conjen, Frank, and Bluebird. I know him for a long time, but nice to see him again.
Okay.
Welcome to the program.
Isabel, so anong pamasko mo ngayon sa Dubai, UAE, tapos sa inyong probinsya? Di ba lagi marami kang kawang-gawa? May feeding program kaya ta, di ba?
Yeah. No, actually, sa province, I usually, kasi I'm in the food business, right? So, I usually give, like, rice sa mga unfortunate. But first of all, sa family, then sa mga taong, they're not lucky enough to have those things. And then food. And then New Year's, I usually, I purchase yung baboy. And then pinapakatay ko yon. And then I give it away to those mga kababayan ko sa Magdalena, Laguna, na yung makakaya ko lang. Ganun. Sa Dubai naman, we start some organization kasi, and then nagko-collect kami. And we also we just gave away, in Abu Dhabi po, there were 80 people, 80 Filipinos po na unfortunately
yung mga wards to?
No,
iba?
nasa jail.
Okay.
And 50 of them is women, and 30
50 women,
30 lang ang men, no?
Oo.
So, I guess sa area nila is so cold and freezing.
Opo.
So, we organized and we gave away yung mga sweaters, socks, clothing, yung mga warm clothings, and then
Opo.
some food.
Sino tong we? Yung pamilya mo or yung organization?
No, actually the organization, nag-lead kami ng Filipino Expatriate Foundation ng
Yung Philex.
ng Philex
Okay.
kami. And then we don't actually use most pera ng Philex.
Oo.
So yung mga leaders katulad namin, we also give from
To chip
our
in.
pocket. Nag-chip in kami
Okay.
to complete the funds.
So ito na yung parang tinatawag yung parang pamasko nyo sa kanila.
Pamasko namin, pero meron pa rin for the next few weeks kami
Pwede bang ilapit sa inyo yung mga iba dyan na?
Kasi we have one member also po na nasa Rashid Hospital until now. Na-stroke siya few months ago. I was back in the Philippines.
Okay.
So, while back in the Philippines, I organized na rin yun. So, we're gonna try to, pero yung anak niya na naandito, luckily he's a nurse, so we're gonna try to help him as well. Pero, we're gonna try to raise funds from among the groups lang namin. Then, me, personally, my family, and the Nanay Tuneng will also give the most portion on how she can go home.
Okay. It's so good to hear about this, especially pag Pasko, no? Pero she's not just doing this pag Pasko.
No.
Bakit ganito si Miss Isabelita? Naku, nahihirapan ako si
Isabel
Isabelita.
lang.
Isabel na lang,
Bata pa si Isabel.
Oo. So, Miss Isabel, bakit ganito ang pagkatao nyo? Saan nanggaling to?
I think from my parents. I think we grew up and we see how parents do. My mother and my father, they're simple people po. Pero sa bayan namin, parang sila yung nanay at tatay. My nanay is a midwife. But instead na siya ang kumuha ng pera, siya pa yung bumibili ng gamot dun sa mga namin. And then, I think coming from, katulad nga, from din ako, province namin, parang everybody is your family yung pala.
That's
Ngayon
true.
ko lang nalalaman, yung lola at ate pala, hindi namin siya kaano-ano. So, you give them, you really try to help the people. Tapos, I think, there is some point of your life na pag nandun ka na, you wanna go back and share them to the people.
So, giving
Share
back.
what you have.
Parang ganun ako.
You are married to a foreigner.
Yes.
And does it make a big difference, like, how you take care of your kababay, extended family at all? Hindi lang...
No, he is so helpful sa akin and very, very supportive po.
So, naging Filipino na rin ang kanyang...
Daig pa niya yung ibang
Tunay na
Filipino.
Filipino.
Yes.
Kakatawa
Wonderful.
naman.
Yan.
You met Glenn, right?
Apo.
Yes.
Lagi nakikita tayo palagi sa simbahan
Sa
din.
simbahan. oo.
Yung bali si Isabel isa pa very proud ako dito kasi nag-work rin kami kasi ako PR consultant ako eh. Nag-work rin kami together. Very proud ako kasi yung Nanay Tuneng nagsumali siya sa golf food at hindi lang siya nakisama sa Philippine Pavilion, may sarili siyang stand na pinapakita niya yung it shows that independent malakas tong brand at malakas ang loob. So, after 3 years ago yun eh. How's Nanay Tuneng doing now?
We're actually doing well po. We just got the Australia, yung West Australia. Yes.
Pati Australia, ano ka
and
na?
then,
See, the more you
Galing,
share your
galing
blessings, the more you
naman.
are going to be
yeah.
blessed.
I will be again in the Golf Food Exhibition this coming February 25 to 28.
Opo.
It's one of the biggest again. So, I'm joining again. Again, katulad nung sabi ni Art, I'll be independent. I think I just want to prove sa iba na kaya rin ng Pilipino na, just expose what we are, what we have, and kung kaya nila yung kaya rin natin yun.
Bakit?
In our simplest way, right?
Opo. Bakit po Nanay Tuneng, the first place? Bakit hindi Nanay Isabel? Or some other names?
Mami mo si
Nanay Tuneng is my mother.
Okay.
She is really the strength, although of course my father is a provider, pero parang siya yung nag-unite sa buong family. And she passed away 1992.
Okay.
And, di ba, mga close tayo. I wanna bring her close to me.
Alright.
So wherever I go, I want her to be with
Ang
this
galing
and
naman
with everybody.
So, bakit, I'm sorry, Art, you
Sige.
were saying something. Bakit food business? Bakit hindi other kind of business?
Good question, El. And I really, really, really wanted to tell this to all our kababayan na nakikinig po. I think when you go to the food business, you will never go wrong. Whether it's big, small, medium size. Everybody eats.
Rain or shine.
Rain or shine,
winter or
whatever you
summer.
do. Mahirap, mayaman.
Totoo po.
O anumang economic depression ang daanan natin, kakain tayo at kakain. If I have 10 dirhams, I will choose to buy food than to buy makeup.
That's
Okay.
true.
Basic needs eh.
Basic needs. And, gusto ko lang bang ipaalam sa atin, I was late kasi, food comes from agriculture. Napakamura ng ating kapital. It's a process that makes it nice and available all over the world.
Alright. Okay.
Tama, no? Kasi naging guest namin mga taga-agriculture officials dito 3 weeks ago eh. Sabi nga yung dapat talaga kasi marami tayong mga lupain, marami yung mga kahayupan. Hindi naman hayop, yung word na literally maraming mga kambing, di ba? Yung
Yes.
mga tupa. Nakakatuwa naman ano.
Me, I was actually doing like, I always make it an example yung laing.
Opo.
Okay.
It grows wild, but it's making everybody a millionaire, whoever touches it.
Ganun na.
Yes. Right now, nag-open ako ng bagong, because I couldn't believe it. It's everywhere in the Philippines. Nasi-shortage ako. So, I opened my own plantation na.
Okay.
So-
Now that you've said that, tama bang isipin na we should encourage our listeners to buy Nanay Tuning because not for anything else,
Yeah.
but because it's giving livelihood to
Do
our
our
kababayan.
Opo.
Totoo naman
Kasi lahat
oo.
ng empleyado namin, Filipino, and besides, nakakatulong talaga yon doon sa ating mga tao, mga Pilipino sa Pilipinas. Nagkikreate tayo ng job kasi. So, yun, katulad yung
Tama
ginagawa
ka dyan,
ko,
di ba?
sa province ko, yung mga middle age na, they think, hindi naman talaga sila makakalabas na.
Hindi
they
na,
are, but they are still strong to do the job.
Alright.
So, those are the people I'm giving a job.
Alright. So,
Last year, a year ago, exacto, guest natin si Joji Dinsay, tapos si Mang Jess. Yun na pinag-usapan, kung bumili kayo ng pagkain galing Pilipinas, kahit medyo mahal ng konti yung Ludis or Lilis na peanut butter kaysa sa Amerikana, pero yun, kada kain mo, binubuhay mo yung mga workers sa Pilipinas.
and not only that.
Ganun
Kasi,
yung logic eh.
Look, si Miss Isabel, hindi na lang naman siya nag-share ng blessing sa Pilipinas, kung hindi dito rin. Can you imagine, meron siyang 80 people na natulungan. Not only you, I
Yes,
understand, yung grupo nyo. Pero kahit paano, may porsyento doon na nanggaling dito dahil sa pag-share nyo. Okay.
Yes.
May time pa ba tayo for any question?
Mag-break tayo.
Okay.
So, babalikan natin uli si Isabel, then si Consul General, tapos may isang announcement tayo, may public service program tayo from APO. Babalik kami.
Okay. Before sa break, sa mga mahilig pala sa shopping, starting this, actually nag-start na to, sa mga mahilig mag-shopping, pwede kayo mag-shop sa Lamsi Plaza worth 200 dirhams and win free special gift. And yung mga kids pala pwedeng makihalubilo at saka pwedeng mag-eyeball kay Santa Claus. And yung mga mahilig sa pictures, pwedeng mag-take ng pictures under sa magnificent Christmas tree. Isa sa pinakamalaki at flawless na Christmas tree dito sa Dubai. Hindi pa nakita daw. At on Friday, kami ni MJ Sunborn, actually ang Filipino Rhythm, will be there on Friday night. Okay? For more information, pakinggan nyo to.
Join Filipino Rhythm's Bluebird and MJ Sunburn on Friday, December 21st at Lamsi Plaza from 7:30 to 9:30 p.m. They'll be there celebrating the festive season with you. Kids beat Jolly St. Nick in his grotto. Take a picture under the never-before-seen in Dubai stunning and massive Christmas tree. Sing along with hip-hop, pop, R&B, and festive Filipino singers that will set the mood for a great Christmas. Plus, shop for 200 dirhams or more and you'll win a free special gift. That's Filipino Rhythm's Bluebird and MJ Sunburn at Lamsi Plaza on December 21st from 7:30 to 9:30 p.m. Getting you in the mood for a fantastic Christmas.
Catching up on the day's business and sports, reviewing and previewing. It's Tonight.
Another month of record traffic at Dubai Airport. Passenger numbers up 20% in August. And down the road in Sharjah, more good news for aviation. Shares of Air Arabia rising by the most in a month today as EFG Hermes recommends buying the stock.
Tonight, with Richard Dean and Tim Elliott. Weekdays from 5 p.m. in association with Eros Group and Al Futain Motors Lexus.